Here's your phone.
She's mad because she doesn't get her own phone. Nora wants two.
Nora, you don't get two. There, yay! Look.
Oh, the drama. You finally got yours back, didn't you? Yep. Oh, the drama.
Oh, you don't have enough thumbs to text on two phones.
Did you see how quickly that ended? Oh, how the anger subsides
Oh.
when we forget